Hi, today I'm part of me DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the control panel, and just if you want to add here some options or remove some of these options, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit icon. And after that you'll see here this down section with invisible options. Just to add them to our panel, we should just hold them and drag to this up section. To remove some of these options, by the same way, hold the option and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to save all of the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.